I'm going to show you how to install the sensor on the gate. As you have already put the internal batteries in, you should install the sensor on the fixed part of the gate and make sure that the arrow which says magnet points to the moving part. Now, place the magnet here. When the gate is closed, the magnet and the sensor must be as close as possible to each other and no more than 1 inch apart. I am going to show you how to attach the iSmartGate to the gate. Before doing anything, check the Wi-Fi reception with your phone. As the iSmartGate device is not waterproof, it needs to be installed inside the motor box of the gate. If there isn't enough space to fit iSmartGate inside the motor box, you will need to place it inside a plastic box to protect it. Open the gate's motor box. As you have previously configured door 1 during the setup, now you need to connect gate 1's exit cables to the gate control board. Connect the cables from the iSmartGate to the gate control board like this. To know where the cables need to be connected, check the compatibility checker on our website. Now, you should plug in the iSmartGate that we previously configured and close the motor box. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes and check that the gate can be opened and closed with the app.